bread, butter, jam. Still it's going on Sunday morning. Same thing. That's wonderful. So next coming to cricket. See, we love landing or love landing. Then what? Sunday வருதுல. You won't believe guys, ஒரு full loaf bread. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் full loaf சாப்பிடும். So அவ்வளோ விளையாடும், அவ்வளோ ஹங்கராக இருக்கும். சாட்டர்டே நைட் டீ கிரிக்கெட் முடிச்சுட்டு சண்டே மார்னிங் வி கோ டு 7 o'clock 7:30 இந்த மெஸ் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் பிரெட் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு தென் அவர் டிப்பிக்கல் கிரிக்கெட் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் பை இந்த சண்டே மார்னிங் we play till evening. I think in the football ground we used to play. Is there any dedicated ground for cricket now? Okay. We used to play in the football ground only. So அது முடிச்சுட்டு சாப்பிட்டேன்னா like around 1 o'clock we finish, we go to mess to have biryani or whatever available in the mess. Some days நாலஞ்சாயிரம். There comes a Shahi grill. I don't know it's still present on there. Shahi grill போயிட்டு ஒரு ஃபுல் சிக்கன், ஃபுல் டே கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடும், ஒன்லி ரீஹைட்ரேஷன் வித் ஓஆர்எஸ் அண்ட் சால்ட்ஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈவினிங் go to Shahi grill. Coming to the last important sport which I want to share is badminton memories. See, badminton in those days we didn't have indoor stadium. What you guys wonderfully have this opportunity. So now we used to go to Tech. There we play badminton. In fact, many of our guys in our batch, we started learning badminton only during college days. We played, practiced PSG Tech and we won medals. But I'll tell you some important thing. See, we are jolly pesla, subject pesla. See, why badminton has become a lifetime sports for myself or for many professions, many doctors or many busy professions. You know why? I'll explain. See, in the badminton college and nothing, not the point. But it has become a lifetime sport form. I'll tell you why. See, badminton is always played in a spacious indoor auditorium like this, and you need only 2 or 4 people to get engaged. மழை வந்தாலும் வெயில் காய்ச்சாலும் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. Just go inside the door on time, you play. In the morning or evening, it's very flexible for doctors. And one of the important sport is the fastest racket sport. It completes entire systems of your body. Good cardiovascular fitness, good musculoskeletal strength, fantastic coordination all around your body and flexibility. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the reflexes which happens when you play during badminton, it happens in just microseconds. Your eye, your muscle, the entire nervous system acts within microseconds to keep your body always fit and agile. So, and it is good for also people who want to reduce weight. So, 1 hour 500 kilocalories in the burn. If you want to burn your weight, don't restrict your diet. Go out and play. It's simple. Okay. So that's why I say badminton is best.